Smart educators don't manually sort support tickets. They build smart ticket routing systems that do it for them. Today, I'll show you how to build an advanced course-based ticket routing workflow inside WordPress using FluentSupport and Fluent Community. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully automated support system that routes tickets based on course selection and enrollment. First, your learners need a way to identify their course when submitting a ticket. Let's go to FluentSupport settings and open Custom Fields. Now, click on Add New Field. If you tap on the Field Type dropdown, you'll have all the custom fields you need for a smarter customer support experience. This time, let's go with Fluent Community courses. This isn't just a text box. It's a dynamic link to your community data. Give it a clear public label, like select your course. All right. You can also add an admin label for internal use, a slug, and a placeholder to guide learners better. I recommend making this field required. That way, every ticket is tagged with a specific course from the start. You can even play with conditional logic if you want. For now, hit Add, and your foundation is laid. Now it's time for the advanced part, creating an automated workflow that routes tickets automatically. Open FluentSupport's workflow. And here, you can see all of my existing workflows at one glance. To add another workflow, let's click on Create New. Give your workflow a clear name, maybe like Route Tickets by Course. Next, you'll need to choose between a manual and an automatic workflow type. We'll create an automatic workflow. Set the trigger to On Ticket Creation, and the conditions will appear immediately. We'll select the custom field we just created and say, if the course is Advanced SEO, then the action is Assign Agent, and we pick our specialist. You can even add a secondary action to add a tag like High Priority or SEO Course. This removes the manual work of sorting through an inbox. Your experts wake up to a list of tickets they're actually qualified to answer. The automation is still in draft mode. Let's make it live, and it's ready to route support tickets on autopilot. With that, the implementation is complete. Now, it's time to see the workflow in action. Before we go into that, make sure you're subscribed to WPManageNinja so you never miss any real-life tutorials like this one. All right. When a customer opens the portal and tries to submit a support ticket, they can easily pick the course their query is all about and create a ticket. On the support side, things just run smoothly and automatically. You can see the ticket is assigned to the right agent and tagged exactly as you set in the workflow. Look at the right sidebar. Thanks to Fluent Community widget, the agent can see the student's progress in real time. If the student says the quiz isn't working, the agent can immediately see if they've actually finished the preceding lessons. This context saves minutes per ticket, which adds up to hours per week. If you want to take this further, you can use AI to respond even faster and boost efficiency by a huge margin. A detailed tutorial on this is added in the description box. Check it out now. And that's it. You've built an advanced course-based ticket routing system in WordPress. Now, when a learner submits a ticket, it goes directly to the right expert without confusion and without any delays. That's the power of FluentSupport and Fluent Community integration, a connected ecosystem that works for you. Grab these tools, automate your workflow, and if you need any assistance, let us know in the comment section. See you in the next one.